In recognition of Dia de los Muertos, we are checking out the Mexican Day of the Dead set. Let's check it out. Hey there, Playmo pals, and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we're taking a look at set number 71879. This is the Dia de los Muertos playset from Playmobil. This is commemorating the Mexican Day of the Dead holiday, which is celebrated November 1st through November 2nd, 2025. And this is Playmobil's way of honoring that holiday. I'm not going to lie, folks, I'm actually very surprised that this set has not yet sold out on the Playmobil.com website, but I am very happy and lucky to have gotten it before it did. So I treasure this one all the more because of it. So we have a really cool looking clicky with this face here painted up for Day of the Dead. He's supposed to look like a skull, skeleton. And he's got some really neat and colorful accessories to go with the Day of the Dead celebration here. Moving it to the right, we get a continuation of the front image and some legal information, including the recycling QR code. The left side leaning over, we got the Special Plus theme logo and the barcode and a couple other legal things. Here's the top, here's the bottom. The backside has more of the choking hazard warnings, more legal information, and all of our pieces photographed individually. That's good for the box details, everyone. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. Now let's go over all the items we receive in the play set. Before we assemble everything, we're going to start off with our table. It's a all blue table with a cloth that's molded onto the legs here. We've seen this sort of thing before. It's just nice to have another table with a different color that we're going to be able to decorate for this particular festive occasion. Here is the sombrero. It has what looks like prints of roses going across the brim there. There are 5 of them. There does not appear to be any other artwork added to it aside from the design that's molded onto the hat itself. Here's the fruit bowl, which is very nice. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. So yeah, this is really nice. This would be a nice little addition to other sets as well. Here's a green glass vase. Obviously it's plastic, but it's made to represent glass, a glass vase. And this is what you would put your flowers in. Here's the flower stem. And here are the petals with which to decorate the stem. So we have a very lovely bouquet of flowers here. While we're on it right now, let's go ahead and put these in the vase. Fits in kind of nice. It keeps going a little bit. It goes a little bit deeper than I thought. But here is the vase complete with the flowers. Very nice. Here is a pineapple. I think I've seen pineapple with Playmobil sets before, and this might not be a pineapple. Maybe it's just a grenade. Here we have a plantain. I don't know why they just gave us one. That's a little weird. Here's the painted skull. I personally would have liked the skull to have a little bit more color, especially for the eyes there. I know they've made skulls with the holes in the skull eyes there, and I think those look better than these. You can't really see the skull. You can't get the full effect unless you've got the light casting on it just the right way. Like right now you can see the shadows there. That's how that's how you can kind of make out the face a little bit better, and I like that. I prefer that look instead of what they do here. But they have this blue and pink painted pattern on the skull face, and that's very traditionally seen in Day of the Dead decor. Finally, we have our little red picture frame. And here it is with the sticker of the female character affixed to it. I really appreciate Playmobil's attention to detail, and I think they did a very good way to honor the Mexican culture, and did a fine job of celebrating the holiday altogether. And here is our Clicky, which is the star of the show. He looks very cool. I do like this outfit he's wearing. I also like, let me zoom in here a little more. Whoa. As you can see here, on the lapels, I guess, on the chest here, he's got these skulls on the jacket pattern. And then on the bottom here, this little section here, it's like a little flower. And on the sides here, he's got more flowers. Same pattern on the front. Nothing printed on the back, which is normal. And then we have some more colored flowers in a V pattern. Then we have the cummerbund, I guess, which is what would be going across the waist there. And then we have another skull right there as a belt buckle. And then a couple more dots and stripes going down the pants legs. Very nice figure. Here are both of the Day of the Dead male clickies side by side for a little comparison. It looks like the one in black on the left here is slightly taller than our new one. But still, let's see, I'm looking at the differences. Overall, I was kind of hoping, because it's a new figure, that the one on the right had a different face painting, I guess. Otherwise, it's like they're almost practically the same. And then here's our new figure with the female Series 20 Day of the Dead figure. And we've got our new Clicky, slightly taller than the one on the left. And then here's all of our Day of the Dead figures with the festive little table there. That is a really sweet looking set, and I do like the fact that I do have those Series 20 figures here to kind of enhance the occasion and the setup here. So yeah, I'm going to be happy to have this on display as soon as I set it up. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it just yet. I'm still organizing my new shelf, so I'm going to have to make a special spot for this. But guys, that is it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also check us out on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. That's it for now, guys. We will see you again very soon, so be sure to check us out. Until then, everybody have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see ya. Bye-bye.